What's going on, guys? Welcome back. And after 4 months of no riding and long awaiting this package, my StunterX frame has just arrived, and I want to unbox it and share that experience just with you. So stay tuned. Alright guys, just as the video intro stated, my StunterX frame has finally arrived after 4 long months of waiting. Man, it's been killing me not being able to ride. I can't tell you this enough. You know, traffic here in LA, California is horrible, and it's kind of sad, brings a tear to my eye as I see a bike roll right by me, splitting lanes, and it's a little bit painful to the heart. But let me give you an update about where we're at and what has transpired since the time of the accident. Now, Lucy has been sitting here in my garage in the same state that I received her in from the tow yard. Now, I don't have a whole lot of room in my garage to actually break her down and make things a whole lot of quicker to make these videos, but so I left her in the same state that she was in when I received her. And that said, I went ahead and purchased all the parts that I'm going to need to replace on Lucy in order to get her looking back to her gorgeous, sexy self once again. So I kind of want to share that with you, what I have purchased so far, before we get into the unboxing of the StunterX frame. Now, if you recall, the stay here on Lucy has cracked due to the accident. Now, she cracked about midway here on the left side, and we needed to purchase a replacement one, so that's what I got here. Also, what was damaged on the left side was the air duct, and the air ducts are usually seamed together with clips. You know, they're two halves. Now, the clips on them themselves from the bike falling over on its side snapped off, and I needed to replace them. Now, it was time for a replacement anyways. These ones are kind of discolored from the weathering and what have you. So yeah, we went ahead and replaced ourselves, or purchased ourselves, some new replacements air ducts, and I will be modifying them to incorporate my LED lights there that I have. Also inside this box is a new linkage. The linkage was damaged, it was slightly bent. That usually happens when the bike falls on its side and receives some impact, so I went ahead and got a new linkage. That's what's in here. Also, what I got was some new replacement mirrors, and as you can see, this mirror took the brunt of most of the blow when it fell, and it's all scuffed up, and they're really tired looking as well. So went ahead and purchased myself some new mirrors off of eBay. And if you're interested in any of these parts, I'll post some links in the description section, and some links are Amazon affiliate links, just to be open and honest and transparent. So also what we have in here is a new clutch lever. Now, Lucy's lever here is completely gone. The perch cracked off, as well as the little ball end on here. Now, I've always been a big fan of the OEM clutch lever. Now, I have had shorties in the past, and the ones that I've purchased have always felt sharp to the touch, or on those sharp corners, and even though some of them may be round, they're just still not comfortable to me, and so I've always stuck to the OEM levers, and that's the look that I like. So went ahead and got one of those. Now, for the footrest or the rear set, damage was inferred by me slapping into the truck on the left side, and all this plus my foot got pushed down, so all this was bent, including this arm right here, as well as the protector up on top, the ankle protector. So I went ahead and hopped on eBay, picked myself up a new one from a yard. Well, it's new to me, slightly used to somebody else. So yeah, that's what we have here. Also in here we got some new counterweights. This counterweight right here is pretty much gouged and no good. The bolt inside here is all bent and needs replacing, so went ahead and got myself some new counterweights. Now, one of the things that I did not want to transfer over to the new frame, and that is the bearings inside the steering stem or steering area. Now, these are the all balls roller bearings, and I hear great things about them. They're really smooth and they glide when you turn, so I kind of wanted to give those a try, and we'll be incorporating these into our new StunterX frame below. Now, you would think a guy who makes tons of YouTube videos about his Suzuki GSXR 750 has almost every tool for the bike, and I don't, to be honest. There are still a lot of tools out there that I need to collect, and one of them is the tool, the castle nut tool for the swing arm. Now that is a larger diameter, and you're going to need the right tool for that, and that's what this is right here. Also, what I don't have in this box was the, oh, here it is, was the castle nut tool to remove the 2 nuts that are on top of the steering controls. Now you can use a screwdriver and chisel them out in the backwards direction, but I just wanted to have the tools to make life easier. Now it's up to you whether or not you want to purchase them or not, but it can be removed with a screwdriver and a hammer. So that's what we have here. Now, getting on to the topic of why it's taken so long to get to this point to receive my frame. Now, it's been 4 long months, and if you recall, Jared over at StunterX said it would take about anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks to, or I think it was maybe 4 to 8 weeks to get it. Don't quote me on that, but yeah. At any rate, Jared ran into some issues. For one of his employees had a death in the family, and I believe it may have been his welder. But my heart goes out to you. If you know, StunterX employee who lost his father, yeah, I can't say much about that. But at any rate, like one of his pieces of equipment went down. I'm not sure if it was his actual powder coating gun or his powder coating baker. So, but they were having issues with that, and that needed to be fixed. So that kind of pushed out the project a little bit longer than I was anticipating. But nonetheless, the frame is here. Let's get into it. Alright, so inside, right on the cover of this packaging, title and bill of sale will be mailed separately, just so you guys are aware. We got our fairing hangers, and we have a replacement frame. Let's go ahead and move everything out the side so we can get a better view as we undo this bubble wrap. Man, this is some tough bubble wrap. Oh, you guys ready for this? Man, does she look beautiful. Let's take a look. Wow, guys, insane. Man, this is one beautiful job. StunterX, you have outdone yourself. Man, this is a great powder coating job. Flawless. Man, that's sexy. I love the logo sticker here. Very awesome, Jared. Very awesome. Much props to you. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see if we can give you guys a closer look. The powder coating job is beautiful. The welding, excellent. Awesome. Let's go ahead and take a look at the second piece. Let me put this aside. Alright guys, so off camera I went ahead and assembled the frame just so I can show you guys what she looks like, and man, is she beautiful. Are you guys ready for this? Let's check it out. Will you look at that? Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. I can't believe it. The powder coating is great, guys. The welds are phenomenal. I mean, if we take a look at the welds here, we got dime stacks going all the way down on the welds. Not quite sure if you can see that, but let me go ahead and move the camera over here so you guys can see for yourself. See nice welds here on the new plate they put on. Just beautiful. That is a professional weld job. It's absolutely phenomenal. Thank you, Jared. It was well worth the wait. Appreciate the frame. I'll be sure to have that core back to you shortly as soon as we get Lucy Lou disassembled here. But man, this is awesome. Awesome. Alright guys, so the final wrap up. Jared, you and your team did an amazing job here today. Now, your welds are beautiful. Your powder coating is beautiful. You did a phenomenal job. Thank you very much. It was well worth the wait, and I appreciate you, Jared. Now guys, if you're interested in getting your own frame with StunterX, go ahead and look them up online. If not, I'll post a link into the description section below, so you can go ahead and click that and visit Jared as well. But moving on, you guys may have remembered a conversation take place with me and Jared where we were discussing a custom prismatic color, which was either going to be a blue or a purple. I was going to surprise you guys, but at the last minute I kind of changed my mind and thought about it for a minute. Black is very universal and it goes with a lot of different paint schemes, and I'm a guy who likes to change things up quite often, so I was afraid that having a custom color might interfere with the color sway of my next paint scheme, so I went with the black. So at any rate guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe. Don't forget to share, and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of Jared's work here today, and as always, I've been the Chemist, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
The Chemist DIY Blogspot is your one-stop place where you can find all of my past and most recent video tutorials. Here, you can stay on top of my most recent posts as well as current projects that I'm working on. Each of my DIY projects are situated in a neatly categorized navigation bar and offer convenient drop-down menus to further drill into that subject's topic, if available. Within the body of the main pages is where you'll find my most recent postings on an image card, offering a brief synopsis of that video tutorial, as well as the category I have placed it in. Selecting the card of choice will bring you to that topic's page, where you can find a quick breakdown of that topic, links to all the products used in the making of that video, as well as a built-in video player link to that video located on YouTube. Check out the site guys, leave me a post, and let me know what you think. The link to my website can be found in the description section below.